इट्स सपना हियर। सो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज का वीडियो किसी ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था मुझे। आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है वो थोड़ा हटके होने वाला है। ये बेसिकली वीडियो मैंने ऐसा कुछ मेरा खुद का थॉट्स कभी था ही नहीं कि मैं एक ज्वेलरी का एक ईयरिंग्स का या एनीथिंग लाइक दैट मैं कभी करूँगी, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ अ ज्वेलरी। मैं बहुत मिनिमलिस्ट ज्वेलरी कभी भी पहनती हूँ, बहुत ही मिनिमलिस्ट रहता है। आई डोंट wear a lot of jewelry on my regular basis, so that's why it was not on my list ever. Please excuse my nail guys, I haven't done my nail. Yes, आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है वो जस्ट ईयरिंग्स के ऊपर होने वाला है और इसमें कोई भी ईयरिंग्स ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं है। मैंने ये माइंड में रखा था कि मुझे एक सेपरेट अगर मैं कोई भी चीज़ का वीडियो बना रही हूँ, सो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं एक पर्टिकुलर आइटम्स का, एक पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी का ही मैं वीडियो बनाऊँ। आई विल नॉट मिक्स इट अप विथ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग। सो दैट्स वाई आई थॉट कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे सिर्फ ईयरिंग्स का करना है, विच इज़ बेसिकली लाइक अ मॉडर्न ईयरिंग्स यू कैन कॉल, लाइक ईयरिंग्स एंड स्टड, जो कि नॉर्मल डे में आप लगा सकते हो। इट इज़ वेरी एलिगेंट, इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, इट विल गो अलॉन्ग विथ सो मेनी ड्रेसेस। आप कोई भी ड्रेसेस कैरी कर रहे हो, यू कैन वेयर इट। एंड ऑब्वियसली मैंने प्राइस बहुत ही सोच समझ के लिया था। मैंने प्राइस मैं जानती थी कि मुझे कोई भी ओवर प्राइस नहीं चाहिए, लाइक 300 400। आई विल नॉट टेक ईयरिंग लाइक दैट, ऑब्वियसली मुझे नहीं पसंद आता है। एंड मैंने और एक चीज़ रखा कि मुझे ईयरिंग्स में ये दिखा था जब मैं देखती थी उसमें कि बहुत अच्छे ईयरिंग्स है, इट वॉज कॉस्ट ऑल्सो वेरी लेस, बट आई सॉ कि वहाँ पे डिलीवरी चार्ज हो रहे थे। लाइक सपोज अगर कोई ईयरिंग 70 रुपीज़ का है तो उसमें 70 रुपीज़ डिलीवरी चार्ज था। सो इट डजेंट मेक एनी सेंस कि वो 140 का ही पड़ गया ऐसे। सो आई जस्ट स्किप दोज थिंग एज वेल। सो बेसिकली मैंने यहाँ पे जस्ट जो ईयरिंग्स मैंने उठाए हैं, पिक किए हैं, दैट इज़ लाइक ऑफ जो नॉर्मल प्राइस। ओके, इसमें कोई भी डिलीवरी चार्ज नहीं है। ओके, सो दैट वॉज ऑल इट। नाउ लेट्स मूव इन टू द वीडियो। ओके, और मैं सारे ही जो पैकेट है वो सारे ही पैक्ड है। सो आई विल ओपन इट जस्ट नाउ और मेरा जो सडन रिएक्शन है, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन यू कैन कॉल, वो भी देखने को मिल जाएगा। ओके, सो रैंडमली मैंने ये पिक कर लिया। सो लेट्स कट दिस वन ओनली। सो आई हैव माई सीजर विथ मी। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज, okay, so it has a box like, oh, it's Oralia written over here. So nice box packaging, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी। Now let's open it. Oh my god, see अंदर भी ऐसा पैकेजिंग किया हुआ है, which is so good. Generally ऐसे करके नहीं मिलता। wow, oh my god, first one is my favorite obviously. So this is this one guys, you can see it has so many earrings. Okay, here is 1 2 3 8 9 pair of earrings. So you can see all of them are so good. इसके पीछे से भी ऐसा है कुछ, सारे ही लूप्स बहुत ही अच्छे फिक्स हुए हैं। एवरीथिंग इज सो गुड। ओके, सो इसमें से मैं सारे तो आई डोंट थिंक कि मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ राइट नाउ। सो आई विल ट्राई 2 or 3 ऑफ them right now. Okay, so first मैं इसको ट्राई करने वाली हूँ। wow, just look at the earrings guys. oh my god, you can wear this in all of your outfit, the golden fit and everything. You can wear this in like a formal, if you have worn a formal like fit and everything, it will go so good with that, even dresses and everything. I just love the finishing and the way it is looking on me. I'm just loving it. So yeah, this is a very good one. Okay guys, जो मैं next wear करने वाली हूँ, I think I should go with this one, this one. Okay, wow, oh my god, it is giving such a good look. oh my god, ये सब बहुत ही अच्छा है guys. Just see how it is looking, all the finish and everything. It is not looking cheap as well. I am so in love with this earrings as well. I'm definitely going to wear this a lot, definitely. So yeah, I just love this. I hope every जो इसमें से जितने भी सारे ज्वेलरी है, मुझे लगता है ये सारे ऐसे ही दिखने वाले हैं. It is so damn good. And quality, you can see quality is not like थोड़ा सा भी चीप नहीं है, थोड़ा सा भी फ्लिमजी नहीं है. ऑल दिस, ये सारे भी बहुत ही अच्छे खासे क्वालिटी में है. सो आई जस्ट लव दिस होल लाइक look. The first one, I just love this one. Okay, so this was the first purchase which I totally adore it. It is everything I need. It is everything. I think you should all purchase this if you are thinking कि मुझे ये खरीदना है. You should try this one. This is top notch. The quality is so good and everything. All the even you can see all the designs and everything is so damn good. So yeah, I just love this as well. Now moving to a next one. Okay, so next I think I should cut this one. So you can see I am cutting in front of you. Okay, again this has a box. This is a simple carton box. Okay, so it will open it from here. Okay, so it has this one. Oh my god. Okay, so it has this one. You can see in the picture as well. ये कुछ इस तरीके का आता है. Okay, if I open it, you can see this is the earrings, which is again so unique and so good. You can see this is obviously the gold and the shine. You can see again this is some ऐसा होता है ना कि घोंसला जैसा बना हुआ है, उसके अंदर again there is a pearl inside it. Oh my god, this is also looking so good. So maximum I have like purchased the golden earrings this time, not the silver one, because as I said I just want to go with the one category first. Look at the quality and the fit and everything. I am just loving these earrings. I don't know how to say. All this price is so like so cheap. Price is so cheap. How they are affording it and everything doing, I don't know. So good, so elegant. You can again wear it this with a formal one or any like a rich kurta if you have wore and everything. You can go with this as well. You can wear it this on the sari also. It will look so damn good. So yeah, this was the second purchase. I just love this. Okay, this was the second earring, guys. Now moving to this third one. I'm just forgetting the number, guys. Okay, so this is the third one. So oh, I can see it from here. This is a clear box. Okay, so ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है and again इसको अगर हम लोग open करेंगे, so okay, ये इसमें नहीं था. अच्छा, it was not in it. It was just like खाली आया मेरे पास. Okay, so I will show you how it looked actually. Oh my god, this is also so good. You can see it has a three like pearl, and which the pearl is like not pure white. It is like the different color. It has a different color where I should show you. You can see, yeah, pearl का दूसरा है and overall पूरा golden का work है. Golden है and इसके inside pearl है and there is three. Okay. So this is how you have to open it. It is obviously you can see it is a heart shape. Okay, it is so simple, like click हो रहा है. Okay, wow. Again, this is looking so good. बहुत ही elegant, बहुत ही like minimalist सा look दे रहा है ये. I just love this as well. This is so like ये ना ऐसा था, एक मॉडल ने पहना था जो कि कोरियन मॉडल थी, उसमें ऐसा उन्होंने वेयर किया था. It was looking so good on them as well and it is looking so good on me also, and obviously it will look good on everyone. So this is a very cute little earrings which is looking so cute in a way. It is, I just love this, although I am not a very big fan of earrings as I mentioned. I bhari and it is look so like comfortable in your ears. So yeah, I just love this as well. Okay, now moving to the next one. Again I am finding this is a fully carton again. Where should I cut it from? Okay, so this is a big one. I don't know what is inside it. I have to open it from where should I open? I don't know. Okay, it worked. So ooh, दिस इज़ अ स्टर्ट और वॉट एवर यू कैन कॉल इट. ये बहुत ही इन है अभी, बाय द वे बहुत ही इन है, सब लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं इसको. सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि एक तो लेना बनता है. सो इट्स कम इन लाइक दिस पैकेज. ओके, सो इट लुक्स लाइक दिस एज यू कैन सी. ये गोल्ड का है पूरा. लेट्स ट्राई इट एंड सी हाउ इट विल गोज ऑन मी. ये थोड़ा बड़ा है. नॉर्मली मैंने अभी जितना भी यूज़ किया उससे ये थोड़ा ऑब्वियसली बड़ा है. सो लेट्स सी how it will look on me. Because of this only I tie the hair so everyone can see clearly. Okay, in general, I'm not really very big fan of this because, as I said, I don't like to wear a lot of jewelry and earrings and everything, and it is little big for me. And if you are okay with this much big, you can definitely go. I think इससे भी बड़े बड़े वो stud आते हैं, and it is quite a small one. It is not heavy, although ये बड़ा है but heavy बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. But yeah, you can feel something. As I have used only small one, अभी तक मैंने सिर्फ छोटे छोटे लगाए. So उससे अगर कंपेयर किया जाए तो ये मुझे थोड़ा सा like I can feel something. It is not heavy at all, but I can feel something कि yeah, I have put on something in my ear, in my like this feeling. I don't like this feeling that I have on something in my ear and plus having it. I don't like this feeling, but yeah, if you want to purchase it, you can purchase because the finish and everything is so good and it is not heavy as well. I thought it will be like here. ये मुझे लगा सिर्फ कानों में ही होगा, नॉट ऐसे नीचे नहीं आएगा, मुझे ऐसा पर्सनली लगा था, बट इट इज़ कमिंग लाइक ये ऐसा नीचे आ रहा है. सो इट इज़ मे बी इट इज़ लाइक दैट ओनली. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू परचेज, यू कैन परचेज इट. इफ़ यू आर वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ दिस और यू वांट टू ट्राई दिस काइंड ऑफ इयरिंग्स, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड ट्राई बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट वेरी हैवी एंड ऑब्वियसली दिस इज़ नॉट टू बिग ऑल्सो. इट इज़ समवेयर इन बिटवीन. You can wear it on a daily basis also, not daily basis, but you can try it like once in a week if you want to. Okay, moving to the next one. This is the packet. This is the black box or something. Okay, let's see. Tear it in front of you again. Okay, so wow, the packaging is cool. It is written Varshla. Okay, so golden hai, black ka packaging. Here it is, cute note. Okay, so let's open this. It has a bubble wrapping overall. इसका packaging थोड़ा अलग है as okay, you can see. Oh my god, look at the cuteness guys, look at the cuteness. वास अपना तूने क्या purchase किया, like seriously. Look at the thing. All over the texture is going ना, it is giving such okay. ये texture जो है ये ऊपर में golden color है and नीचे में ये green color का है, which is you can call parrot green or whatever color, and it has some different like feel. Okay, and this is golden one. इसमें भी texture है and ये जो green one है इसमें भी texture, although इन दोनों का material बहुत ही अलग है. Okay, and पीछे से कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है normal one. पीछे से ना इसका texture you can see it is like hollow, कुछ नहीं है. That's why it is so lightweight, like a feather. लग नहीं रहा है मैंने कुछ लगाया है. Look, I just love this kind of minimalist jewelry which doesn't feel anything. It will again go with green color as it is not like कि सिर्फ green के ही साथ जाएगा because it has golden. The upper part is golden, so ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ आप ग्रीन कपड़ों के ही साथ ही ऐसा जाएगा, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. You can wear it in a lot of different color as well. ये बहुत ही अच्छा जाएगा अगर आप like कलर के साथ सफल कर रहे हो, then also it will look so good. Okay, moving to the next one. This is the छोटू सा. Let's see what is inside it. Okay, oh my god, कितने cute बाहर आ रहे हैं यार. Look at this one. This again is a so lavender color. You can see, oh my god, it is looking so good. The pearl in the middle, and again the texture is going on is so like it is making them it feels different like the green one. वैसा इसका भी texture है. This one, this particular all the petals, and पीछे से just transparent दिया हुआ है इसमें से, and I just love this. The texture is so soft, like it is velvety touch or something like that. Okay, so you can see from the back side also it is fully covered. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि पीछे से कुछ और color है. You are wearing this flower. It is looking exactly like a flower. Oh my god, you can just see it is looking like a flower. दस होता है ना ऐसा normally आप लोग कोई flower pluck करके and यहाँ पे लगा लेते हो. It is giving such like that vibe only. I am being very honest. I am not going to wear this in a formal, like if you have to attend any party or something. I think it will go okay with that, but if you are attending some kind of a meeting or you have a profession like work, I don't think it will go on that. So this is basically a fun like happening something. So if you wear नाइस फ्लोरल ड्रेस है ना, उसके साथ अगर ये वेयर करो या फिर एनीथिंग अदर ऑल्सो इट विल गो, आई थिंक सो. बट दिस इज़ नॉट अ वेरी लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल वे. आप प्रोफेशनली हर जगह नहीं पहन के जा सकते हो. दिस इज़ ऑब्वियसली, इट इज़ वेरी ऑब्वियस फॉर यू. You will not wear this in a professional way, but this is so good. Like it is giving you the vibe of like florally things and everything. The color is so unique, so good, and the middle, this one is giving like, ये जो पर्ल है ये उसको 4 चांद लगा दे रहे. सो आई जस्ट लव दिस एज वेल. It is nice, it is good, and it is not very heavy as well. I'm not feeling anything right now. I'm not feeling कि मेरे कानों में कुछ है. I'm not feeling that. It is big, but it is not heavy. You know what I mean? It is so like hollow. ये पूरा हल्का है, इतना ज़्यादा हल्का है कि आप लगाए हो बोल के आपको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा, ऐसा है. So yeah, I just love this also. Okay, moving to the next one. This is the next packaging. Colorful box going on. So the box is colorful, but the thing inside is not colorful. You can see this is the stud or the earrings, which is white in color. That's why I tell the box is colorful, but the material, the thing inside is not. Okay, so ये just a small flower है. I don't know why I pick so much of flower. क्या सोच रही थी मैं लेते वक्त, but it is like a modern like earrings and everything. Okay, so this is the flower, white color flower, and texture how I will be able to show you. Okay, you can see the texture and everything. It is going like कि आप देख सक रहे हो कि कैसा flower है. It has some texture and it has like, it is not plain. That what I meant to say. मैंने कितने अच्छे पिक किए, you know, you can see how it is looking on me. So elegant, so like good earrings and everything. Again, this will go with everything. If you are attending any meeting also, you can wear this flower. You can wear it everywhere, like a meeting, and with a kurti and with a like skirt and with dress and everything, it will go on. You can see as well. I just love this as well. It is very 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 good. Yeah, and also it is not heavy. I can feel that I have something in my ear, but not heavy, and also not like a medium heavy also. It is fully lightweight, बहुत ही ज़्यादा हल्का है, because it has like a hollow ना, वो अलग से ऐसे से दिया हुआ है. So it is not, you can see the texture as well. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? It is looking like a flower. You have put a white flower, as I said. Okay, so moving to the next one. This is also very very cute. Yeah. Okay, now moving to the next one. Okay, so it is like this. This is also so good. You can see this packaging come with this. This is the duo color. It has 2 color, but it is little different. I'll show you properly. Wait. Like iska jo, you can see, oh my god, it is so okay. It is like a stone, but like a watery going on. ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसके अंदर पानी भरा हुआ है, and it looks so good. It has a duochrome. Here it is blue, here it is white, here it is blue, and here it is white. So it is like doing like this mismatch. Again पीछे से ऐसे golden वाला दिया हुआ है, and it is looking such a rich look. It is giving you a very rich look. You can wear this in anything if you want to wear. Yeah, it will go with anything, professionally, party, puja, सब में चला जाएगा ये. It is looking so good, and the quality is like, you can see from the back, it is fully golden with some texture going on, and it is so good. Okay, let me wear it. Yeah, it is looking good, huh? And it is like different also. It is like different. Yeah, it is not a normal earrings. And if heaviness का मैं बात करूँ, it is like not very heavy. Obviously इतना बड़ा में क्या ही heavy होगा, like, but you can feel, yeah, you can feel something कि you have wore it, because ये जो है this part, the नीचे वाला part, ये थोड़ा heavy है comparing to this ऊपर वाला part से, because it is big also, you can see. So ये थोड़ा heavy है, and you are definitely feeling something that you have kept something in your ear, but it is not very heavy कि आप नहीं लगा सकते हो. बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा भारी भारी नहीं है. Giving very rich and luxurious feel to your ear, and overall every look. It will go with the kurti, sari, and like professionally also, if you are wearing 3 piece and everything, you can go with this. This is looking so good. You can, it has the white sorry, it has a yellow things going all over the earrings. You can wear it with everything, and I think you will, and I know you will get a compliment for this. Okay, so the last packaging is like this one, this the cute little packing, and you have like this. What is going on में यार? So मैं सारी गिरा रही हूँ, इस पैकेजिंग में आया था. So this is the different one. As I said, मैंने हर एक कैटेगरी से, मुझे लगा कि मैं जितना भी इस कैटेगरी से पिक कर सकती हूँ मैंने सारे ही पिक कर लिए. And the last one is looking like this. Okay, so it is like not a normal earring. First of all, आप देख सकते हो ये एक earrings ऐसा earrings है, and इसके पीछे में ये if you can see, yeah, the wire going on, ये यहाँ से attach है, but here it is not attached, it is open from here. So I think this is basically you have to push like this. I will try. You can see it is like this. The earring will look like this. Let me wear the another one as well. It is a little tough for me to wear, to be very honest, because मुझे इस टाइप का earrings पहनना नहीं आता. This is first time I'm wearing like something like this, so it will go like this. Okay, so you have to wear it. If you don't have a hole, like अगर आपके earrings लगाने के hole नहीं है, then also you can wear it, and if you have hole then also there is no like big thing, you can wear it like this. If you want to have like this something, you can wear it. There were so many in this category, ऐसा में बहुत सारा था. मैंने ये इसीलिए लिया because of the like a very minimalistic thing is going on. ये बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ताम झाम नहीं. तो अगर आप भी सोच रहे हो कि ऐसा earrings लेना है and what if it will fall or something like that, तो I will suggest कि आप पहले ये हल्का लो. It is so feather like thing. I am not feeling like I have put on something my ear, because also it is like upward not downward. ये नीचे की तरफ नहीं ऊपर की तरफ है, तो इससे भी ये बहुत ही हल्का लग रहा है. हल्का क्या, आपको मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैंने कुछ वेयर किया है. The first thing, and it is not like very like I have tightly done like this also. I think you can do it like that also. So yeah, it is giving a very nice look, the different look obviously. So this was a small, not small, I guess it is a like medium size video. So yeah, this is the like video which I have made, which was not my like, I don't usually do this kind of video, but I thought कि चलो कर लेते हैं. So yeah, this was my all like personally मेरा experience ऐसा है इसके साथ. Now if I'll wear this on a regular or daily basis, then I will tell you कि हाँ इसका जो colors है वो जा रहे हैं या नहीं. I think मैं किसी वीडियो में आपको एक feedback दे दूँगी. तो yeah, this was it for me from my side. Hope you like this video. If you do, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot for me. So मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye.